Fathers of different fields in India. 1. Who is the father of the nation? Mahatma Gandhi, known for his role in India's independence movement through non-violent civil disobedience. 2. Who is the father of Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He was the principal architect of the Constitution of India. 3. Who is the father of Indian aviation? J.R.D. Tata, a pioneer in civil aviation in India and founder of Tata Airlines. 4. Who is the father of Indian nuclear science? Dr. Homi J. Bhabha, a key figure in the development of India's nuclear energy program. 5. Who is the father of Indian Green Revolution? Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. He played a vital role in introducing high-yielding varieties of wheat and rice. 6. Who is the father of Indian cinema? Dada Saheb Phalke. He is considered the pioneer of Indian film and directed the first full-length Indian feature film. 7. Who is the father of Indian mathematics? Aryabhatta, an ancient mathematician and astronomer known for his contributions to mathematics and astronomy. 8. Who is the father of Indian psychology? S. K. Datta. He is recognized for his contributions to the field of psychology in India. 9. Who is the father of Indian economics? Dadabhai Naoroji. He was one of the first economists to analyze the economic impact of British rule on India. 10. Who is the father of Indian literature? Kalidasa, an eminent classical Sanskrit writer, often regarded as one of the greatest poets and dramatists in Indian literature. 11. Who is the father of Indian sociology? G.S. Ghurye. He is known for establishing sociology as a separate discipline in India. 12. Who is the father of Indian art? Raja Ravi Verma, a celebrated painter and artist, known for bringing Indian art to the forefront and blending Indian themes with European techniques. 13. Who is the father of Indian journalism? James Augustus Hickey. He is known for founding the first English-language newspaper in India, the Bengal Gazette. 14. Who is the father of Indian archaeology? Alexander Cunningham. He is credited with founding the Archaeological Survey of India and played a crucial role in the study of ancient Indian history. 15. Who is the father of Indian environmentalism? Salim Ali, an ornithologist and naturalist. He is known for his extensive studies on birds and contributions to wildlife conservation. 16. Who is the father of Indian music? Tansen, a legendary musician in the court of Mughal Emperor Akbar. He is credited with laying the foundations of Hindustani classical music. 17. Who is the father of Indian education? Raja Ram Mohan Roy, a social reformer who played a crucial role in promoting modern education and reforming the education system in India. 18. Who is the father of Indian geology? Robert Bruce Foote. He is known for his pioneering work in the field of geology and prehistoric archaeology in India. 19. Who is the father of Indian football? Nagendra Prasad Sarbadhikari. He is credited with introducing and popularizing football in India. 20. Who is the father of Indian physics? C.V. Raman, a physicist who won the Nobel Prize for his work on the scattering of light. He made significant contributions to the field of physics. 21. Who is the father of Indian computer science? Dr. Raghunathan, Raghu, Ramakrishnan, known for his contributions to computer science education and research in India. 22. Who is the father of Indian banking? Dr. R. H. Patil. He played a significant role in the establishment of the National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, NABARD. 23. Who is the father of Indian philosophy? Adi Shankaracharya, a philosopher and theologian who consolidated the doctrine of Advait Vedanta. 24. Who is the father of modern Indian history? R.C. Dutt, an Indian historian and economist who wrote extensively about India's past and colonial impact. 25. Who is the father of Indian agriculture? Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. Besides his role in the Green Revolution, he significantly influenced agricultural policies and practices in India. 26. Who is the father of Indian law? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Apart from his role in drafting the Constitution, he was a legal scholar and social reformer. 27. Who is the father of Indian trade union movement? Narayan Malhar Joshi. He was instrumental in the formation of trade unions in India. 28. Who is the father of Indian sports? Major Dhyan Chand, a legendary field hockey player who is often referred to as one of the greatest in the history of the sport. 29. Who is the father of Indian statistics? Prasanta Chandra Mahalanobis, a pioneer in the field of statistics and known for the Mahalanobis distance. 30. Who is the father of Indian anthropology? Nirmal Kumar Bose. He contributed significantly to the field of anthropology in India. 31. Who is the father of Indian theatre? Habib Tanvir, a prominent figure in Indian theatre known for his contributions to folk theatre and modern plays. 32. Who is the father of Indian dance? Uday Shankar, a dancer and choreographer who was instrumental in popularizing Indian classical dance forms. 33. Who is the father of Indian public health? Sir Ronald Ross. He won the Nobel Prize for his work on malaria, leading to significant advancements in public health. 34. Who is the father of Indian urban planning? Sir Patrick Geddes, an early advocate for urban planning and development in India. 35. Who is the father of Indian telecom? Sam Pitroda, an inventor and entrepreneur, he was pivotal in modernizing India's telecommunications infrastructure.